So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand control. Now you want to click on power. We're going to scroll down till we find power. Click on that. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to find energy estimation enabled. Double click on it. Make sure that in this box you have the number 1 and then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.